Hi Vidron. So we go to the products page by clicking here, and we could choose, say, this image, what I'm using, 3413. Select any color. So here, just add something in the front, just so. If you hit Start Order, just add a style name. So here, when you hit Create Mockup, it's opening this plugin called Fancy Product Designer. And when this is loading, we're getting the error. And for some reason, it's always with the side right. It is here, and the image does work if you open it in a new tab. I think one thought that I might have is that originally these images, we ran a script to flip the left side, and not sure if when it was being scripted, if it left some metadata or something behind that's causing it to fail. Thank you.